Oh, sorry guys, I think it's gold guys. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. For sure this is gold guys. Woohoo. What a jackpot. Ooh. 1102. Yes, finally we find gold. This is almost unbelievable guys, because there's a very few target, especially on the water. Not sure about the karat, but for sure this is gold. Yes, we found gold.